So, Bob, I know you said earlier in our newscast to bring any pets indoors if they're outside, and you also mentioned something about plants because it's going to be pretty cold.
Yeah, I mean, we're not talking about bringing plants in tonight.
Okay.
There's no concern for that in Manatee and Sarasota counties, but tomorrow night there is definitely a concern to bring in your sensitive plants if you can. And if you can't, cover them up tomorrow night. And it looks like we may have the same kind of situation on Friday night, Saturday morning. There could be some freeze warnings in place for us right now. The two counties that may see freezing temperatures, inland counties into Hardee and Highlands County, and no freeze warning for us tonight though, but it's going to feel freezing as a result of that wind chill. Now, beautiful sunset tonight. We had a little bit of sunshine breakout, and didn't really warm things up much though at all, as temperatures only got into the mid to upper 50s today. Look at that nice sunset though, looking for the Van Wezel webcam off in the distance. And Siesta Key, Fred Seeger getting this shot in. Some stratocumulus clouds. Those are low clouds as a result of the cold air moving over the relatively warmer waters of the Gulf of Mexico. And get a look at this from Palmetto. Susan getting this one, a nice shot of the near full moon. We had a full moon just a couple of nights ago, but that's a spectacular shot. Clear night allows that atmosphere to really clear out, and you get good pictures like that. Well, I mentioned all the advisories. They're in place now across central Florida. A wind chill advisory, we have to deal with that tonight and tomorrow morning. And then the freeze warning comes, I think, tomorrow evening for much of the Sun Coast. Now, east of I-75 is where the freezing temperatures will be. So west of that, it appears that we'll be on the cusp of near freezing temperatures. So if you're concerned, you might want to cover those plants anyway tomorrow evening. That wind chill advisory in effect until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're talking wind chills down into the 20s across much of our viewing area. Near the coast, around 30 to 35 degrees. Low temperatures will be into the upper 30s to low 40s right near the water. 37 in Inglewood, Mayaca City at 37 degrees. 38, Lakewood Ranch will start the morning off. It'll feel much colder though, as I said, and 45 in Anna Maria under generally clear skies to start the morning. Well, the good news is there is a warming trend on the way, so we will see warmer temperatures enter into the picture now on Sunday. This model has been kind of flip-flop back and forth from upper 60s to low 70s on Sunday. It's going to be a nice day on Sunday. We'll have another front, though, come through on Monday night, Tuesday morning. That front, though, is not nearly as strong as the fronts we've seen move through. But, boy, we got to get through these next few days with temperatures only warming into the mid to upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. Our current temperature at 44 degrees, and the wind chill now actually down to 38. The high today was 57 only. Our normal high, 71. We'll be back there on Sunday. So if you can wait till then, things will improve drastically. Now, rainfall, we had a ½ inch of rain this morning. Monthly total now at 58/100 of an inch. We're not anticipating any rainfall until Monday night, Tuesday morning as the next front moves in. The hourly forecast, it doesn't warm up much at all. So we'll be having jackets and sweaters throughout the day, even hats around, as people will struggle to stay pretty warm because it's going to be cold throughout much of the morning. That wind chill advisory will stay with us until 10 a.m. and hypothermia can occur very quickly if you're out in exposed air with no protection on. Now, as far as the futurecast goes, heavy snow anticipated right up to the northeast. Some areas getting up to maybe 18 inches. Blizzard warnings, we talked about those earlier. And then the second cold front coming down. It will bring a chance for a few showers, I mentioned, come late Monday and into early Tuesday. Had some snow, freezing rain, I-10 closed down, but that has now all since moved on. You think it's cold here? Well, look at this, -2 in Minneapolis, St. Louis at 12, Chicago at 9. It feels like 5 there, -5 in Chicago, and much colder in Minneapolis, -14. For boaters, a small craft advisory in effect. Northwest winds at 15 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet. And as far as tides go, the next high tide will be at 12:36 and a low tide at 9:13. Wind chills into the mid-20s inland, mid-30s near the beaches. And then we'll see tomorrow a dangerous morning, wind chills, and then sunny and cold, high of only 58. The extended forecast, still cool and low temperatures near freezing near the coast even on Friday morning. Saturday morning, the same thing. We'll warm up, though. Sunday, upper 60s to low 70s, and then maybe back to normal early next week.